Attention all flight crew members, this is the final go-no-go poll for operations. Directors go for launch.
Everyone's watching SpaceX chase Mars and headline billions in contracts. But over in Long Beach, RKLB is quietly becoming the space industry's dark horse, delivering reliable launches, government contracts, and a whole new vision for what space business can become. SpaceX is building bigger rockets for mega projects. Meanwhile, RKLB has already completed its 70th Electron launch as of August 2025, churning out dedicated missions for commercial, military, and secret customers every few weeks, a pace that's unmatched for small and mid-weight satellites. Its Electron rocket isn't a brute like Falcon 9. Instead, it's designed for nimble, responsive launches, getting universities, startups, and governments into orbit fast with less weight and cost. If you need satellites in different orbits next month, RKLB is your go-to shop. The secret sauce is vertical integration. RKLB doesn't just launch payloads. It builds satellites, crafts advanced separation systems, and just rolled out new software packages for managing entire constellations in orbit. This end-to-end approach landed RKLB a $515 million defense contract as a prime contractor to build constellation satellites for the US space development agencies. That's not just revenue, it's a recurring scalable business that keeps them sticky with its customers. They're also expanding globally, signing multi-launch partnerships like the new deal with IQPS to fly a Japanese Earth imaging constellation on Electron multiple times in 2025 and 2026. In Q2 2025, RKLB posted record revenue of $144 million, up 36% year over year, with annual revenue topping $500 million and margins expanding 650 basis points. They have a $1 billion backlog of launches and satellite deals locked up in the future quarters and are guiding toward yet another record Q3. So this isn't just about hype. RKLB is scaling launches, signing government and commercial contracts, and building out mergers and acquisitions in defense and infrastructure. Their model is about stable growth, efficient operations, and recurring revenue, not moonshots or PR stunts. NASA has selected RKLB's Neutron rocket for upcoming medium lift missions, expanding their VADR contract for rapid, reliable launches of Class D and CubeSat payloads. If you don't know what that means, neither do I. Anyways, NASA's working with RKLB on some shit. So check this out, RKLB isn't just competing in the civilian market. They're delivering results for the Pentagon and classified customers whose names never make the news. What's next for them? They're prepping their debut of the Neutron rocket at an island, expanding capacity for larger payloads and reusable launches. And they're working on a hypersonic program called HASTE. So why RKLB? So we started looking into RKLB about a year ago, and we did a ton of research on this company, and this was one of our biggest winners. SpaceX may grab the spotlight, but RKLB gives investors and space fans something SpaceX doesn't. Rapid, flexible, and regular launches, recurring revenue from manufacturing, in-orbit services, and government payloads, balanced scale, not overexposed to headline hype or moonshots, real partnerships for national security and global satellite constellations. So RKLB's not aiming for Mars. They're quietly building the backbone of tomorrow's space industry with efficiency, stable contracts, and tech the big guys can't ignore. In this new era, steady is winning the race.